What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build the new voice AI agents within Go High Level. This AI agent is going to be for recruiting, for HR groups and recruiters, and we're going to have the applicants call this number to interact with a voice AI agent to go through some questions, and they have the opportunity to ask any questions about the company as well. So let's jump right into it. I've got one built out here, but I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch, creating a new agent. I'm going to call this agent Emily, put the business name. I'm going to go ahead and choose Rebecca.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Perfect. And this is going to be an inbound agent. So we'll only be able to take calls if somebody goes ahead and calls that number. The outbound caller will be coming soon. So the agent's initial message, this is where I'm actually going to go to ChatGPT. And I actually prompted it, said, write me a prompt for voice AI to answer the phone and do a brief couple-minute interview. And so here is what it spit out. For the example, we're going to be using this as the opening line. And then we're going to go ahead and clean this up a bit. And we're going to hit next. And then here with the agent goals, we're actually going to switch to advanced mode. And this is where we're going to edit the prompt. So here is where we're going to upload the rest of the questions. So again, these are just sample questions that the voice AI agent is going to be asking the applicant. You can make these whatever you want for your company. I'm going to paste those in there. We're going to edit this here. We can take out this goal. In this prompt here would be where we would also want to add information about the company. So if the applicants are asking any of those questions on the phone, the voice AI agent will be able to answer those questions. And then for the time being, we can go to next, choose your phone number that you've selected in Go High Level, and then hit save. Awesome. And now we are actually going to test this out. So let's go into the agent. Perfect.
New lead. Press any key to connect.
Hello.
Hello, thank you for calling Innovative Partners. This is Emily, your virtual assistant. I'll be asking you a few quick questions to help us learn more about you and your qualifications. Let's get started.
Sounds great. Thanks, Emily.
Before we begin, can I confirm that you have a couple of minutes to answer these questions?
Yes, no problem.
Great. Can you please tell me your name and the position you're applying for?
Yes, my name is Jack Lucier, applying for the sales development position.
Thanks, Jack. Can you share your availability to work, including days and hours?
Yes, normal business hours, Monday through Friday.
Perfect. Can you briefly tell me about your most recent job or relevant experience for this role?
Yes, I worked in commercial real estate for 2 years and am an agency owner.
That sounds impressive. What would you say is your strongest skill or strength that would make you a great fit for this position?
My greatest strength is my communication skills.
That's a fantastic strength to have, especially in sales. Thank you for your answers. Your responses will be reviewed by our team, and we'll get back to you shortly. Is there anything else you'd like us to know before we wrap up?
That's it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Jack. Thank you again for calling. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Interesting. So there you have it. That is the recruiter giving the applicant a phone call, or I should say the applicant's actually going to be calling the voice AI agent in that situation, but it can go through and ask your initial questions or just gather some information, see if the applicant is interested on the role. And this is going to be super beneficial to recruiting companies and HR representatives because we are going to get the transcript here. And so we can actually see how the conversation went and even get the recording as well if we were to put the recording on for within Go High Level phone number settings. But super powerful there. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Let me know if you want me to post a second video on how I would market this product using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Phantom Buster, and Instantly.ai. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.